Now that you know how to use the thimble, we're going to be coordinating our other hand along with the needle and thimble. And this is how it's going to go. You're going to put the needle in the fabric and you're going to lift up the fabric. Now, you need something to control the amount of elevation the fabric is going to have, and that's going to be your other hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your index finger close to the needle, put the needle in, lift up the fabric, and push the needle through so that it goes over your nail, and you take a bite, like so. The closer your finger is to the needle, the less the fabric can lift up. The farther away it is, the more the fabric can lift up. And that basically means the less it can lift up, the closer the bite, because the needle is forced to come out a lot quicker. The farther away the finger is, the less quickly the needle can come out, and therefore it makes a bigger bite, like so. So what you need to do is to focus on having a bite size of roughly about 1/8 to 1/4. And every time, keep your finger the same distance. You don't want the work to lift up like so every time you're basting. You just want to do nice, peaceful stitching without distorting much. Like so. Now you know how to do a running stitch. A couple of tips here. First of all, it's normal for your nails to get scratched when the needle is going over it, because you haven't kind of like got the hang of it. Also, don't push the needle all the way in when you're just trying to pick up a thin layer of fabric. And when you're pulling your thread, don't pull your thread too much so it draws the fabric together. You want the threads to just sit on the fabric.